How to fix sign in to iTunes Store error on iPhone, iPad, and iPod. So let's get started. First of all, start with the basic. Check your internet connection. Simply drag down the control center from the top right corner of your screen and make sure that you are connected to strong Wi-Fi or mobile data. You can also switch between Wi-Fi and cellular data to check if your connection is stable or not. You can also try opening Safari and visiting a website to confirm your internet is working. After the internet confirmation, simply try restarting your device. A fresh reboot fixes a lot of login glitches, so hold power plus volume down button. Then slide to power off, wait for 10 to 15 seconds and power that on again. Now once done, so simply try signing in to your iTunes again, but if it still does not work, then simply look for the settings app on your home screen and simply tap on it. Now once inside the settings, scroll down and tap on the general option available in there. Again inside the general, you will get to see software update option available there. Simply tap on it. Once inside the software update, if there is any latest update available or there is any install or download option available, simply install the latest version in your iOS. Old iOS versions sometimes cause iTunes login errors, so new version may fix it. After that, go back to the settings general again. Then scroll down till the bottom and tap on the transfer or reset iPhone. Then tap on the reset. Then tap on reset network settings. This will erase Wi-Fi password, so reconnect to Wi-Fi afterwards and log in. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.